Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very special set from Hot Wheels. It is the 57th anniversary set by Hot Wheels, and one good news, and that is it is priced at 179. Isn't that amazing? So this is not my set, this is my friend's set, and this will be my initial impression video. Stay tuned till the end so that you figure out which ones you want to buy and which is the one that I like the most in this whole case. Let's begin. So we'll start with the number one, and that is this. This is one gorgeous car. So the card art is pretty nice. It comes in this purple and golden theme colors. Looks very nice. So this is the Volkswagen Baja Bug. It's a beautiful casting. BAJA is not Baja. And this is for the Indian audience, and you know, even when I was very new to this, when I was a kid, I pronounced it as Baja, but it's Baja. So Volkswagen Baja Bug. So it's a very cute casting. That's all I can say right now. This has a golden base. It says Volkswagen Baja Bug, and pretty nice livery of the anniversary edition. Looks very nice. Yep. Second one, which one is the second one? Oh, second one is this. This is D Muscle, and it is a fantasy casting. Look at the card art. Very nice. So this one comes with the same livery. Nice wheels, the PR5 wheels. We have the front, we have the top, and we have the back. We have a black base. It says D Muscle right there. This is a very interesting casting. It reminds me of the muscle cars from America. It is pretty well made. It has rear view mirrors as well, and it has golden interiors. So that's a good thing. The Volkswagen Baja Bug had the black interiors, and this one has the golden interiors. Pretty nice. So this is really nice and promising casting. Okay, moving up to the next one. It's the Jeep 1973 Jeep J10. Whoa, this is a mammoth. It's a very huge casting, and you can see the blister is pretty different from all these. And even the Baja Bug blister was a pretty bit big one. Well, coming back to this one. So this one has the same livery. It says Jeep right here, and ABAC livery here, or badging, not livery, it's the badging. And all in all, it's pretty big and pretty huge casting. You might have seen this one in previous cases as well. So this is the base. It's a black base. This one has golden interiors as well. All right, pretty nice card art and pretty nice car. This is the third one. Fourth one we have is the 55 Corvette. This is a pretty interesting car, and wow. So this one has the Goodyear badging right here, the 57th anniversary livery, and it says, what's this badging right here? Is it the Chevrolet badging? It looks like that. All right. So no front details or rear details. So yeah. And it has a golden base. It says 55 Corvette TMGM. Pretty nice, and it has black interiors with a golden touch. You can see, right? Okay, you have seen this one in the Barbie Corvette, right? In mainlines and all. So the last car of this set that we have right now is Muscle and Blown. It is this one. So You might be familiar with this casting. This was the promotional car released by Hot Wheels, right? And still that car got scalped. I don't know why. So this is the first time I'm seeing this car in person, and this really looks amazing. Look at the card art and look at the car itself. It has pretty good amount of details. No front headlights, but still a nice rear, and it has golden interiors. You can also see that the rear glass on this one is blurred, and we have the HWGRFX badging right here. This is pretty unique and I really like this one. Okay, so yeah, that completes the whole set. Let me lay it down for you. As one of the viewers mentioned, like, lay them out properly so we can see all the cars. Sir, I have a pretty small table and I'm making room for these cars as better as possible for you guys to see. Okay, so let me just place it here, or I can just try something else. Okay, I hope now it makes sense. It looks nice, hopefully. Alright, so now coming to the part of the video where I really tell you that which one is my favorite, and you know, see, the least favorite that I have in this case, I think I have to go with the Corvette. Okay, it's pretty basic and okay, it's alright. So now coming to the top cars from this one, I think Muscle and Blown really nailed the job. The detailings on this one is pretty amazing, and this is a very unique casting. I would love to have this one in my collection. Second one is this one, the D-Muscle. Being a fantasy casting, the amount of, you know, work in design that has gone in this one, from the hood, from the front, look at the card art itself. Okay, and look at the rear, look at the top, and even the side silhouette. So side silhouette reminds you of pretty nice muscle cars. So I think this one deserves a second spot. Also, plus point is that this has rear view mirrors, and it really looks very nice and striking. It also has pretty amazing details on the inside, right? So this takes the second spot. Third spot is a tie between these two. Okay, both these are pretty good castings. So you have to prioritize what do you want and what do you have to add to your collection. Okay, and this set is also lucky because I have the 56th anniversary edition and I haven't reviewed it yet. Okay, it is there somewhere in the boxes. I have a pile of cars that I still have to open and unbox and review it for you guys, so stay tuned. I really appreciate your understanding towards why the videos are late. Alright, so they are all coming soon. Do subscribe and stay tuned. Alright, so talking about the availability of this set in India, this whole set is available online on some of the sites. You can check out the pinned comment on this video. Some sites are selling it in singles as well. You have to make sure that to keep checking on the online sites. Whereas the offline stores goes, I think this is available across India in some of the cities. I'm not sure which cities. Okay, it is available and it will be available to everyone and in most of the stores in India, so don't need to worry about that as well. As I mentioned earlier, this is priced at 179 rupees. Alright, And one thing that I would like to mention is that this also has a sixth car. Okay, so that is the Bison, and it is supposed to be in golden color. I am really not interested in that, so I will not even buy it. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do take very good care of yourself. Happy life, happy collecting, spend wisely.